You're probably pissed off because you don't know how to use Photoshop and your teachers don't teach you how to use Photoshop. So you told yourself, fine, I'll do it myself. Well, I got you. How to simply remove the background. On the left top corner, you need to open the file and pick the image you want to work on. And I chose this handsome fella right here. Fuck. Okay, now you're in. So you see here, right, there's a lock symbol next to it. You just want to take that lock symbol off. That way your image will be pixelated and you can remove the background, because if you're going to remove the background and that's a background, then shit ain't going to happen. And let me put it in football terms. Chelsea buying a whole squad just to be in last place. Okay, second step, go into the properties section. You see that right there? Cool. Scroll down and then you see remove background. And you want to click remove background and boom. How simple was that? You just watched a 1-minute video of a guy busting jokes and you learnt more from this than any other YouTuber on the block. Okay, so if Photoshop may have been a little prick and missed out a part in the background, it's all good because the paint tool is your friend. You're able to rub out the background mistake using the black foreground. Now what is the black foreground? You see, this came from the layer mask just next to the image. This allows you to see any missing parts that you haven't erased from the background. And obviously the background is black, so you need to color in the image background black in order to remove every single bit. So if I wanted to remove some stuff that was on me, I would simply go on the white foreground, which can be changed by pressing X on the keyboard, and color in white onto myself, doing completely nothing to me but also doing something to the background, because you know, on the layer mask I am white. So there you go guys, now you know how to make a PNG photo of yourself by simply removing the background.